Hey, it's Danielle here in Seattle, also known as DMAC, and today I wanted to talk about the FSO Harmonic scanner because I know there are a lot of you out there that are sitting on the fence. You want to purchase this system, but you're just not sure about it. You don't know if it's legit or how accurate it is because every day I get people asking me about the FSO Harmonic scanner. People want to know which I prefer, the Agment over the FSO harmonic scanner and things like that. But I think the most important things that for those of you that are out there considering purchasing this system, I think the most important thing you want to know is, is it a legit system? And let me see, what are some of the other questions that you ask? You want to know if it's profitable and how accurate it is and things like that, right? So today I wanted to just show you, kind of let you see some of the signals and how they played out from this week. Now, I do share some of these signals in my private Telegram group, so I will show you the ones that we've taken this week. Now, it's important to know that just because this thing gives out all these signals, it doesn't mean you need to be jumping in every trade. I'm very selective with the ones I take. Everything has to line up, like this Maxwell equation has to confirm, the sell or the buy, amongst other things. So let's see, right now I have FJ pulled up on the screen, and this is going to time out. Okay, there we go. I have FJ pulled up on the screen. And for those of you that don't know which pair that is, it's just the Swiss and the yen. I don't know, I don't say CHF, it's just too many letters, so I just say FJ. So this was one of the trades and setups that I gave out in my private Telegram group. As you can see, it did hit TP1 for, I think it was 30 pips. So it was just a quick scalp. Did not try to go for TP2. And the reason why, because if you come down here and you look at Maxwell, you see after the drop, it's going to reverse and shoot right back up. And not only that, I have this right here. It's a small quarter point, I think. One of the quarter points, half point, or whatever you want to call them. So this is a major support area right there too. So as you can see, it wicked that, got a nice little bounce off of it, and then went up, up, and away. And let's see, there was one more. Excuse me. There was one. Actually, there was two more. So we also did. So that one was for 30 pips. So we can just keep track to see how many pips we caught off the FSO harmonic scanner. This thing is slow today for some reason. Let's see if it pulls it up. Okay, maybe not. So let me just pause this real quick and try to figure out what's going on with this. Be right back. Okay, not sure why this is so slow, but the second trade, another one that we took in the Telegram group, was NZD CAD, so NC. And as you can see, this one was a really good one. You can come down here, you can confirm this sale with the Maxwell equation, so it looks pretty good. No drawdown if you caught it from the entry. So it's just a nice clean, and you can see this thing is still ripping to the downside. So TP1 was hit, TP2 was hit for a total of 60 pips, I think. I actually TP'd right here at this support level, which is a major quarter point, but it broke that, and this thing is just, I don't know, CAD is on steroids right now. So that's 2 for 2. And the reason why I like this setup, like I said, I'm really picky about the ones that I trade, is because this one is at a hesitation zone. So if you see when I put this on here, yeah, you get a little hesitation up. a little hesitation up. So it hesitated to go up, and then it just dropped. You got one little pullback, and it just kept on going. So far, that was 2 for 2 on the FSO Harmonic scanner signals. And the other one, let's see. So that was 60 and 30. So we're already at 90 pips right there off those 2 trades. And then, geez, I don't know what's going on with this. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I think I need to find a new VPS, but maybe I got too much stuff running on here. So let me try to, the other one was AUD CHF. So the odd and Swissy. If we can pull it up. I might have to pause it again. So give me a second here. Okay, so here we go. Now on the screen we have AUD CHF, so AF. And for this one we just went for TP1, which was hit easily. And it looks like I'm still in this on some other account. That's interesting because I didn't realize I was. But TP1, sorry about that. TP1 was hit for, I think it was around 40 pips. So if you do the math between those 3 trades, you have over 100 pips caught, right? So it's around 130. And that does not include, you know, my setups and my own technical analysis. So like I said, if you're looking for a free Telegram group where you can catch some pips, yeah, hit me up on Facebook and I will get you the link. Again, it is a private group, but yeah, that's what we're doing over there. We're catching some really nice pips. All right, so hopefully, I don't know if you guys are still unsure about this system. If you have questions, again, you can reach out to me on Facebook. My link will be below this video. And if you like what you see and you just want to go ahead and grab, you know, the FSO Harmonic scanner, the link will also be below the video. So hopefully you guys are having a good week, and I will see you in the next video.